Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a savoury French toast breakfast sandwich. This has to be my ultimate breakfast sandwich. You get the best of a bacon and egg sandwich with French toast. To start, you'll need to cook some bacon. Lay out the strips of bacon on a tray lined with baking paper. Place in the oven under the grill until crispy. Next, finally slice some chives. In a bowl, add half a cup of milk, followed by 3 eggs. Add the chives, season with salt and pepper. Then 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Beat together, making sure the eggs and milk are fully combined. Bear in mind, this amount of mixture is enough for 3 sandwiches. Next, slice some crusty bread. Place a pan over medium heat before adding some butter. Clarified butter will work best. You can find the link to the recipe in the description. Dip the bread into the egg mixture, make sure to turn it over and let it soak up as much as possible. Transfer to a pan. Cook on the first side until it's golden brown. Flip and brown the other side. To finish it off, move the French toast to a tray lined with baking paper. Place in the oven set to 390 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, or until the bread is crisped up. Fry 2 eggs over high heat. Flip and remove from the heat. First a slice of French toast, followed by the bacon, eggs, and topped with the other slice of French toast. There you have it, savoury French toast breakfast sandwich. This sandwich is my version of the ultimate breakfast sandwich. From the crispy bacon to the savoury French toast, I feel like it has it all. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.